All right, beautiful family, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what $350,000 price point looks like here within 25 to 30 minutes from Frisco. Today, this one's going to be a really nice floor plan. It's going to be 4 full bedrooms and it's going to be about 2,400 square feet. It's going to be in a really nice neighborhood, master plan neighborhood. Over 1,000 acres, a lot of pools, playgrounds, 2 elementary schools, really nice neighborhood overall. I want to show you guys the full tour, no editings, just raw footage, just to show you guys what these homes look like. And also I'm going to talk to you guys about the numbers, down payments, monthly payments, and all that good stuff. Let me start you guys off from the exterior. Usually, right now, it's gonna be basically, these are the model homes, and these are pretty much what the exterior looks like for this home. Really nice. I also did the exterior, a full tour of that 1-story, but today we're checking out this 2-story. It's 2.5 bath and about 2,400 square feet. Really nice brick, really nice combination. This one should go around 350. It all depends on their pricing, because once we get closer to summer, usually at that point, it pretty much tends to be more pricey. But as of right now, I mean, that's currently what we're looking at. Beautiful entrance, about 20-foot ceilings, nice open staircase. We're gonna have some more storage space underneath the staircase. So on this side, we're gonna have the half bath. If you guys want to watch this video, you can always click in on settings, click in on speed, and put it at 1.5, and it should be a faster video for you guys to watch the entire tour. All right, so this is gonna be the half bath. A lot of you guys always ask me, what does 0.5 means? 0.5, whenever we mention 2.5 baths, 0.5 just the toilet and the sink. Let me know what y'all think about this tile. Really love that tile. That tile is going to be also on the laundry room as well. Pretty good space. I like that there's some more space to store things as well. One of the favorite things that I like about this is that it's closed off, right? So you guys can come from the garage, you know, bring your guests from the garage. They don't have to see your laundry room. I have many cases seen floor plans where they go in from the garage to the laundry and then to the house. So this one, if you forget to do laundry one day, you're gonna be fine, because that one, it has its own closet. This is gonna be the 2-car garage. These homes come with sprinkler system, as you guys see here. And we're gonna see here more closet space. All right, but this is what I'm talking about. Open layout, nice little dining table here, and then still really nice spacious kitchen. This builder usually builds different floor plans of the same floor plan with just different style of colors. So if you guys are not a fan of brown, we can always change it for something white. So we would just have to see what the builder has available at that point. But as you guys see, this is gonna be pretty nice layout. We'll have the living room and then the dining. I have a lot of clients that actually tell me that they like this style more, instead of it just being all just one go, like all the dining and living room just in one space. They like a little bit of separation. So you can be washing dishes, put your TV there. You can still be able to watch TV, and you can still be able to like prepare the food and still talk to your guests. So I'm a big fan of this layout. Let me know what y'all think about how this staging is. It's really minimalist. That's how they make these homes look big. They don't put huge couches. So, you know, they pretty much put smaller couches, but still some more good space. The other thing as well, this builder sells the homes as is, so no extra added on upgrades. The only thing that's not gonna come with the home, it's gonna be that painted wall. So that painted wall is the only thing that's not gonna come included. But of course, if you guys use me, I can always look out for your best interest and see if we can do that for you. Beautiful backyard. Now keep in mind, and check out the nice size cover patio, beautiful backyard. Keep in mind, this is just the model, so they made it look really nice with the nice a little pond on the back. Most homes would just have fence. That same wood fence would be pretty much used all throughout the back, so it's still gonna have some good space. Let me give you another point of view. Really nice home. Let me know what y'all think about the colors. All right, so this is gonna be the primary bedroom. Nice primary bedroom. And we're gonna see here, it's the primary bathroom. This is gonna be pretty much stand-up shower with just a little bench, some more space here. This is gonna be the own toilet room. Really nice. This is gonna be the closet space. Not the biggest, in my opinion, but for this price point, I mean, doesn't get any much better than this. That would probably be his, and then the rest hers. So, still nice. So I really like it. And a little tube vanity here. All right, so let's take a look upstairs. So basically with this floor plan so far, what we're looking at, we're pretty much gonna be around that $350 price point. And these, keep in mind, the prices are always subject to change. But around $350 right now, the builders are offering some really good incentives for all the first-time buyers. Right now, they're doing a promotional rate of a 3.99%, which if we use it at this price point, it could pretty much keep your monthly payment around $2,500 a month. Down payment could look close to around $12,000 to $13,000 out of pocket for all my first-time buyers. So to qualify as a first-time buyer, you basically don't need to. They're gonna look at your credit report. They want to make sure that your credit report doesn't show any previous homes or just any homes on that credit report that you're paying off. They're gonna look at credit score, 620 plus credit score would be good to go. They're gonna look at income. They're gonna want to make sure that you're at least making $65,000 a year plus, and they're also going to take a look at debt. They want to make sure that your debts are low and that you're not having some crazy payments on your credit report. So take a look at the closet space here. Pretty spacious, actually. Yeah, pretty spacious. The bed, it fits a nice queen size chair, so it's pretty good. So yes, so $2,500 a month and around $1,300 out of pocket for all the first-time buyers out there. And also one more thing that they started doing, FHA just recently changed their law last year, May 31st of last year. Basically now they're requiring to check the legal status of the buyer. So in this case, they would wanna only qualify as a first-time buyer only those who have the green card or permanent residence and citizens. So if you have a visa, then at that point it would be conventional, which would be another type of loan. So it wouldn't be the first-time buyer loan. So that would be part of the requirements to qualify as a first-time buyer. So pretty much we took a look at 3 bedrooms so far. This is bedroom 2, bedroom 3, all good sized closets. This is gonna be the full bath upstairs. All right, and then also it's gonna have its own little unique door to go to the bathroom to take the full shower with the tub combo, and it's gonna have its own toilet. What I like about it is you can actually close this and still someone can be getting ready, using the mirror, brushing their teeth, washing their hands, which is awesome. And this is gonna be the final bedroom, which is bedroom number 4. A really good size. Most of these bedrooms are pretty good enough for a full queen size. So not too bad. And then this is gonna be the closet space, which is a real nice closet space. in a beautiful neighborhood, beautiful community. I want to zoom in so you guys can see. Really nice. There is going to be a couple of things in here. Pools, playgrounds, walking trails, food trucks. This is going to be Aubrey. So Aubrey is going to be 25 to 30 minutes from Frisco. Now we are in the south part of Aubrey, which is right next to Highway 380, which is right next to Providence Village. So we're closer to Providence Village than Aubrey, because Aubrey could be all the way up north. So technically this is in Providence Village. And a lot of you guys don't know, but this is Denton County. Denton County, it's a really good county, really good schools as well. And also just this specific neighborhood, a lot of you guys are like, hey, well, you know, I work from home, or I'm usually home the majority of the time. All I need is just a nice, safe neighborhood. And I need to have really good schools, shopping, and dining. Right now for groceries, there's 2 grocery shops, Sprouts, and there's also Kroger that are getting built. Well, Sprouts is open. Kroger is going to get built within the next 3 months or so. Those are within 4 minutes from this neighborhood. So literally, if you have to go get your groceries, you can go get them. If you need to go to Walmart, that's 10 minutes from here. If you need to go to H-E-B, that's 15 minutes from here. So all in all, it's a really nice place, really nice neighborhood to be in. I recommend taking a look at Aubrey, just overall this area, if you're looking to be within this price point and monthly payment. Monthly payment would put you close to $2,500. If you're looking at something closer to Frisco, you're gonna most likely be paying over $3,000 a month for that. And usually, if your payment is over $3,000, I recommend you to basically make multiple, if not over 100,000 to be able to comfortably afford that payment. If you're just, if you make less than 100 or close to 100 or more than 100, and you're like, well, Rigo, this is $2,500 a month, it's going to be the perfect fit for me, then I'll suggest this one, or just around this price point. But mainly, if you want to be around Frisco, you're mainly going to have to drive 25 to 30 minutes to have a mortgage payment this low. So if y'all are interested, I appreciate all of you guys watching. If y'all are interested, feel free to check out all my social media pages. I have TikTok, I have Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram, where I pretty much show you guys my daily deals that we're finding, or clients. And also I'm gonna link in my link for you guys to fill it in. And basically, it's going to send me an inquiry to say, hey, this person is looking for a home. This is their timeline. And then I'll send you guys a message. So it's super easy to fill out. It's just an inquiry that you guys do online using the link. And that's how I get in touch with you guys. If y'all, any questions, just send them through my inquiry. I'll reach out to you guys. I'll do a Zoom call and get you started from there. I appreciate all of you guys for watching, and we'll be in touch and see you guys at the next video.